Hey guys, it's Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993. We're out on a cleaning this morning, our first one this morning. We got about 5 of these to do today, so you'll see a lot of good videos today, I'm sure. I already did the inspection. This dryer vent runs about 12 feet, and the customer is getting a code on their LG dryer, which indicates that they need to get this thing cleaned out. So we're gonna go ahead and clean it out and see what all we get out, see what we can break loose for them. This vent is pretty much a straight shot from what I've seen. Runs right down the inside of the garage wall. And I can tell the dryer is starting to get louder. So we're actually making good progress. And then right here, we're at the back of the dryer. And I don't know if you can hear it, but I can. It just got really loud right there. So we're just gonna work this elbow a minute. And then of course, this vent does not, this vent cover is not the, sorry about that, we lost connection. So this vent cover is not your standard louver vent cover that we talk so much about. This vent cover is actually an interior that deflects down. It comes with this little bird cage. And again, you're not supposed to have anything on your dryer vent to block the lint from coming out. And notice the lint is building up right here, if you can see that. Builds up right there, and that's how it goes on here. So unless you come out here after every load of laundry and clean it out, this is very counterproductive. Also notice that this is not closing all the way, so it really takes away why you have a damper, if you'll notice that, if you can see that. So basically what happens is then your critters can just go right up in there. So this is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993. Do you know what's inside your vent? Call me, I'll show you.